friend, welcome to our channel and please subscribe my channel, and if you are new in this channel please make sure that you subscribe this channel, and also if you subscribe to this channel please make sure that you press the bell icon, and please like and share this video. So let's get started. Today we are starting our data science 4 lectures, and also we are diving into machine learning. We will learn about also here machine learning algorithm, and our today is our topic is Indian air quality database we will use, and we will see what Indian quality database. So let's run this, that how many files we have there. So we have this file. Okay, so we can type data dot pd read csv data dot cs. Okay, data dot csv, and encoding ISO 88591 data dot fill now 0 in place is equal to true. So this run now data okay, we have it in place in PLAC in place true. Yeah, now data dot head we want print 10 function. If we will give like this, it will print automatically 5 functions. So let's go and we will see what a find function. Now we are going to calculate firstly here. So firstly we are going to do, we will describe this data dot I will describe this data. I will get info from data dot info. This is info. We will see data dot columns, there are types. So we have SO2, NO2, SPM. We have different type of pollution. So we got info, we got data, we got head. Now we are moving to drop our database. So we are going to data dot drop STN decode agency location monitoring, STN decode agency sampling data, location monitoring, be all with a axis is equal to 1 in place should be true. So these all are basic things. So run this, then we will go data dot info and data dot head. So run this. So we have this info, and see, we from our database file we remove this all file from using drop section like std codes, location agency, location monitoring. So we have a state and location. So now I showed you. So now we are diving in little bit of machine learning. So from before I will teach you, I just want that you will install one thing is called a Sklearn. So pip 3 install a Sklearn in macOS, and pip version is for Windows. So now we are going to from Sklearn pre-processing. Okay, before this I wanted to show you one more thing. Okay, then we will dive in this. Okay, we are going to calculate our SO2 data. Okay, define calculate SO2. If SI is equal to 0, if if SO2 then it's 40, then SI is equal to SO2 multiply by 50 divided by 40. So now we are doing same thing. We copy paste and we putting here tuck 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 tuck. What we have to do is less than 40. So now we are going to do is greater than 40, and okay, and SO2 is less than 80. Then we will output will be 50 plus SO2 minus 40, input 50 40. So now this, now we are going to copy. SO2 is then 80 and SO2 is 380. Then we are going to print 100 plus SO2 minus 80 multiply by 100 divided by 300. So basically we are doing like this, and again we are going for this section. This then 380 and SO2 is greater than 800. Then we are going to print out like 200 plus SO2 minus 380 multiply by 100 divided by 800. SO2 greater than 800 and SO2 is to 1600. Then we are going to copy this, it will be easier. 300 plus SO2 minus 800 divided by 100 into 800. Then finally SO2 will be then 1600. Then we'll print 400 plus SO2 minus 1600 divided by it, and finally we will do return SI. So now data SI is equal to data dot SO2 dot apply calculate SI. We put here calculate SI, so B calculate SI. So df is equal to data dot so2 si df dot head should run. Okay, there is error. The error is that we swing. This is error. so2 and si, the printing this value. So basically we can do same with another, and we can do with no2, we can do with another. So we can do with okay, I can show you also no2. We can copy, calculate ni no2 no2. So the data will be same, but the thing is that we are going to use if. Okay, if and if, you can use both in this case, like and if. So in place of this no2 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 ni 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 ni. So basically we don't have that much data that we can implement here, so we are going to use 100 180 280 and then finally 400, and there will be 400, here will be 280, here will be 180, and runs. So we have this data of no2 and this all. So basically you can print out every data from here. So now we can do on machine learning. So from import from Sklearn dot pre-processing, we have to implement pre-processing pre-processing import umpter. So umpter is equal to umpter missing values is equal to none strategy 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 equal to mean axis is equal to 0. Imputer is equal to imputer dot fit data dot ilog 328 dot values data dot ilog 328 equal to imputer dot transform data dot ilog 3.328 dot values. We have either, okay, we have no Sklearn, not lean. It's correct. So now data set dot info. Okay, it's again either imputer unexpected or missing value. Am I really saying missing value? back now. Data.info, data.head. So all these things. So now we are going